So today I came in to take the Apple Fundamentals class. It was offered for free. I got an HCC email about it and I was like, wow, this is a good opportunity to take a free class just to be able to learn more about the system. And I wasn't exactly sure which system we were doing, but once I got here, it was just about the Mac.
Apple is supporting us and have donated a whole bunch of, equipment to us, Apple computers, iPads, and it's actually available on different labs at HCC. It is, right now we are at the Acres Home, and we have a brand new lab here, and we have about 20 computers, and we're here to share the technology, what Apple can do, and enhance and expand students' knowledge, faculty, everyone,
I think it's an amazing idea for the community to help them, help everyone increase their knowledge. And also, I mean, you can't beat free, so you know what I'm saying? But just the wealth of knowledge that you receive for it is like, it's golden.